down.
We back out here. It's got chestnut on.
3, 2, 1, up.
But first, let's rewind.
No, here's.
It's got chestnut on.
Alright.
I'm gonna go down here. Yeah, I don't care. I'm going here.
You're not pushing up.
Excuse. Yeah.
3,
2, 1.
You're not pushing.
10! Yes! Let's get it!
Full sand, duck's covered.
He's got chestnut on.
Alright. Yeah. Ready? You're not pushing up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so right here is when the GoPro slipped out of the harness mount. Okay, so right here is when my friend tried to grab the GoPro. You can actually see him grab the GoPro right there. So, yeah, that's when he tried to grab it. Okay, so right there you can hear him telling me that the GoPro has fallen off the mount, and right now it's just sinking to the floor, as you can see right here. It's pretty insane how clear the water is, and you can see my friend swimming right there. And, yeah. Okay, so right here, is just a time-lapse of the GoPro underwater. You can actually see us swimming around through the whole time-lapse, but yeah, here it is. Okay, we just lost the GoPro. We lost the GoPro. We jumped in. Well, he jumped in on that last shot you saw. And it came off the chest mount. And he...
We just managed to get it. Hold up. Hold up. It's still rolling! It's still rolling! It's still rolling! It's still rolling! No way! No way! Bro, look, it's still rolling! Bro, look, it's still rolling! Look at this, it's still rolling. Hold up, hold up. Look at this, it's still rolling. Hold up, hold up. Here, look, it's still rolling. Look, it's still rolling. Still rolling. 11 minutes, let's go! Still rolling. 11 minutes, let's go!
Okay guys, so that concludes day 3 of pier jumping. In the last episode it was day 1 and then a little bit of day 3, but this episode has been day 3. I didn't film anything on like day 2, but I did get some footage from Tuesday. So yeah, but apart from that, head on to day 5, which is currently today. Yo guys, just been jumping, 5th day of jumping this whole week. Watched us over there, but yeah, 5th day of jumping. Yeah, I didn't film any clips, but I filmed some on Tuesday. Play this clip. So it is actually now Tuesday now. I'm gonna go down jumping right now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, that's all I got to say. See you in tomorrow's jumping session. Down here it's actually 7 o'clock now, so we're
Keep going down, go down.
Okay guys, so that concludes the footage from day 5, aka Wednesday. But if you were a bit confused, first episode was Sunday and Wednesday footage, and today's footage was Tuesday and Thursday footage. But yeah, very exciting stuff coming in the next episode, so yeah, stay tuned.